Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm currently in northern Thailand, so I thought I'd vlog. At the moment it's 9:15 and I'm just about to go for breakfast. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So I finished my breakfast and now I'm just chilling in the hotel room. Writing my postcards. Every day when I go out, I put a couple of my toys on the balcony so they can enjoy the view while I'm not there. I'm gonna set today's toys up. Here they are. I'm sorry to the toys that are sitting in the shoes, but I wanted to make sure they don't fall out. Now I'm just sitting in the lobby waiting for the taxi. In the taxi! There's so many red trucks. There were so many stairs to walk up. Toys look so cute. Now we're in the taxi going back to the hotel. Now I've brought the toys back inside. Now I'm going to film a YouTube video which has already been uploaded when you'll be watching this, so make sure to check it out. I'll link it down below. I'll add in some clips of it into this video.
Hello and welcome to the big debate.
Okay, I'm done filming. Make sure you check out the full video down below. Now I'm going to start editing it. About to go out for dinner. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more Thailand content coming over the next few weeks. I have another vlog for you coming up and a music video, so stay tuned. And obviously lots more shorts and other videos too. Night, guys.